books, learn about words and sounds. Words and sounds, words and sounds. Let's learn about words and sounds. Words and sounds, words and sounds. Yay! Words and sounds! Today, we're going to learn about words and sounds with Akili. Sounds! Let's learn about sounds!
Hello, kids! Today we are going to sing a silly song with some silly sounds. Can you make a song with a sound like rekadekadi? It sounds silly, right? Then let's all be silly. Here we go. Okay, kids, now say it with me. Rekadekadi.
Huh? Rekaka.
Yes, rekadekadi.
Huh?
Rekadekadi. Say it with me before we start the song.
Rekadekadi.
Yes, you got it. Now, let's make a song with it. Are you ready?
Yes!
Re, ka, de, ka, di.
Rekadekadi.
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 Let's sing a little faster.
Rekadekadi. 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 Rekadekadi.
A little slower.
Rekadekadi. 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 Rekadekadi.
Can you switch it up?
Rekadekade. Rugudugudu. Rigidigi. Rugudugudu.
Okay, kids, I think we've been silly enough. That was great!
Hey there, friends. What time is it? It's time for the alphabet. A is for Akili, Akili. B is for baby, bush baby. C is for cat, cat. D is for dance, dance like a dog. A, B, C, D. The next one is E. E is for elephant, look at all the elephants. F is for family, family. G is for goat, goat. H is for house, happy hippo's house. E, F, G, H, the alphabet is really great. I is for insect, icky insect. J is for jump, jump. K is for
Land are lost and don't know how to get back. Friends, we need your help to get all of the letters back home. Today, we're helping letter J, which makes the J sound. Let's go find her. Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home. Oh no! Hi, letter J! Letter J is not worried at all. She knows that we can help her get back to the Alphabet Land. Now let's find our way back to Alphabet Land. Uh-oh! It is about to rain. We have to stop and wait until it is over. Where should we go? We must choose the path that has the word with the J sound. Should we take the water path or the jam path? We have to choose the path with J sound in the name. Which one should we take?
Jug.
Right! Jam! Jam has the J sound. Where is the J sound in the word jam? At the beginning, middle, or end? Yes, at the beginning of the word jam. Hurry up! Let's go down the path with a sign that says jam. It is about to rain. Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home. Uh-oh! This is not a house. It is a jungle lift. It can take us out of this jungle. Yay! To start our journey, we have to call out the button with the word that has the J sound. There's a button with the word dog and a button with the word jug. Let's call out the button with the word that has the J sound. Which one is it? Dog or jug?
Jug.
Yes, jug. And where do we hear J sound in the word jug? Listen again. Jug. Now let's call out the word jug to start our journey. 1, 2, 3.
Jug. Jug. Jug.
There is no path here. What are we going to do? Look! There are 2 magical boats there. They can take us to the Alphabet Land. But we have to choose the one with the word that has J sound. The one that has J sound will take us to the Alphabet Land. Which word has J sound? Fish or enjoy?
Enjoy.
Yes! Where is the J sound in the word enjoy? At the beginning, middle, or end?
In the middle.
Yes, it is in the middle. Let's go, letter J. Don't forget to wear your seatbelt. Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home. Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home. Letter J has seen her home. That's why she is so excited. But it looks like we have to trace letter J to get in. Let's do it together, friends.
J, 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 J.
Yay! Hooray! We did it! We got letter J home by listening and learning what sound letter J makes. Letter J makes the J sound. Hooray! Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home. Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home.
Howdy, hey! It's time for our fun rhymes. Hooray!
When I wake up in the morning, I greet my mother and father. Good morning, father. Good morning, mother. I am happy to see you. When I wake up in the morning, I also go greet everyone. Good morning, sister. Good morning, brother. I am happy to see you. As I walk to school. I greet the people that I see. Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. I am happy to see you. When I get to school, I greet all my teachers. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. I am happy to see you. When I get to school, I greet all my friends. Good morning, friend. Good morning, friend. I am happy to see you. When I go back home, I greet my mother and father. Good evening, father. Good evening, mother. I am happy to see you. When I go back home, I greet my mother and father. Good evening, father. Good evening, mother. I am happy to see you.
Hello there, kids! Today I'm going to read you a great story. Happy Hippo loves to read stories too. Today's story is Oranges for Everyone. We have one orange, round and sweet. Oh, look over there! There's one more orange. One orange and one more is two. We have two oranges, round and sweet. What's that on the rock over there? One more orange. Two oranges and one more is three. We have three oranges, round and sweet. Hello, elephant. What are you playing with? I'm playing with an orange. Come play with me. Oh no, elephant. An orange is not a toy. It's a fruit. Three oranges and one more is four. We have four oranges, round and sweet. Hello there! Would you like a present? Hello, Mrs. Tree. What kind of present would that be? A yummy, sweet and round orange. Four oranges and one more is five. We have five oranges, round and sweet. Look! Akili's over there. Let's give her one orange to eat. 5 take away 1 is 4. We have 4 oranges, round and sweet. Who's that? It's Bush Baby. He's playing in the leaves. Let's give him 1 orange to eat. 4 take away 1 is 3. We have 3 oranges, round and sweet. We are home. Elephant, here's 1 orange for you to eat. 3 take away 1 is 2. Now we have 2 oranges left. 1 for Monkey and 1 for me. Monkey, take 1 orange. 2 take away 1 is 1. Now I have 1 orange left. That's enough for me. No more oranges. Yum, yum, yummy! The end. Did you enjoy that? Until next time, bye!
Meet Akili, a 4-year-old who lives on the foothills of Mount Kilimanjaro. Every night, Akili falls asleep and is transported to the magical world of Lala Land, where she makes friends, learns to speak English, and develops her numeracy and social-emotional skills. Please support Akili. Share the show and Akili's YouTube channels with all your family and friends.